Initiating simulation 038. Are you the only one here? Scroll, like, comment, repeat. It feels like you are connecting with millions of people. But what if you aren't? The dead internet theory suggests that the human internet died around 2016. Since then, the majority of traffic is bots. It is an Ouroboros. AI writes the articles. AI reads the articles. AI posts the comments to boost engagement. It is a machine talking to itself. Look closely at the influencers. The perfect skin, the slightly wrong hands, the caption that sounds like ChatGPT. Is she real? Or is she a retention algorithm? Check the comments. Great video. Love this. Generic. Repetitive. It's not a community. It's a script designed to trick the algorithm. Even this video. How do you know I am human? How do you know you are the only real person watching this? You are walking through a digital graveyard. You are shouting into a void, and the echo is programmed to sound like applause. The content is getting weird, surreal, because it wasn't made for human eyes. It was made for clicks. Simulation. Result: you are the last user online. Hello world. End log.